for Michael Madigan in court today, arguing more than half the charges against him should be dropped.
The longtime Speaker of the House is set to go on trial this fall. Our Jenna Barnes joining us now with more on this. Jenna.
Pat and Micah, Madigan's attorneys have argued for the dismissal of charges before, but they now have a recent Supreme Court decision on which to base their argument. They say that decision upends the prosecution of Mike Madigan. Former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan back in court as his attorneys try to argue 14 of the nearly 24 counts against him should be dismissed. Madigan is charged with federal racketeering, bribery, fraud, and extortion, all linked to lobbying practices during his time in office. He's accused of using his position for personal gain. His lawyers based their argument on a Supreme Court decision last month. In a 6-3 decision, the court said federal law criminalizes bribes given before an official act, not rewards handed out after, overturning the bribery conviction of Portage, Indiana Mayor James Snyder and opening the door for other public officials accused of similar crimes. Madigan's lawyers writing in their motion to dismiss that the Supreme Court clearly and definitively held that the statute applies only to bribes, not gratuities, and that bribery requires that the official have a corrupt state of mind and accept or agree to accept the payment intending to be influenced in the official act.
The argument of Madigan's team is to say, no, Speaker Madigan was doing his job, and afterwards, some nice things may have happened in terms of hiring or what may be, but hey, that's just a gratuity. And it's clear from our U.S. Supreme Court, gratuities are perfectly acceptable.
WGN political analyst Paul Lisnick says with its decision, the Supreme Court is taking away a tool prosecutors use in public corruption cases.
Doesn't sound like where most people think the law should be, but that's the law today.
Madigan is set to stand trial in October. It remains to be seen if his attorneys will be successful in getting those 14 charges dismissed.